sorry it's shaking. The camera's shaking.
Oh, look, it's a little turtle. But the only thing bad in his face is on top of the head. I wish they would just put two eyeballs right there and then a mouth.
I know it. I'm sorry it's good. The camera's shaking. We're on the highway.
And I'm sorry I do a horrible job at fishing. Now, if you would show them everything you got. I'm just gonna randomly dig it. No Chinese, please put that down below. Or Japanese, whatever this is. I don't know what this is, and I do not know what that just said. But it's cute and that they all have keychains. Literally, it was attached to the package and it said, here's keychains. And I'm like, okay. I don't really know what this is. Down below. No, well, right now, I don't think
I don't think.
it's got a cute face.
I feel like it's just trying to do
Okay, next up is, oh, it's a marshmallow. Or if it's something else like eat, tell me in the comments down below.
Just tell me what you think all of these are in the comments below.
Except the jumbo panda.
Anything else?
Oh, it's a bear! Wait, they can't see. It's a bear! That's so cute. Okay, next.
Sorry, this is a vlog on the highway.
Oh, it's a dog! I didn't see the face of it. Sorry, I'm a horrible squishy dog. This is what I think it is. This is a foot!
Backwards.
That's
Can you go through them faster?
bread. Sorry. Whatever that says, please comment down below. And whatever this is, please comment down below. Because I don't know a single thing.
Just comment down what you think.
Crab. Kitten. Kitten thing. Panda bun. I mean, not a panda bun. Panda. For some reason I said a panda bun. They can't see me. Panda bread. Not panda. Bear bread.
Bear
I'm so
bread.
into panda bread. Sorry, I'm going to as soon as I can. Bear. Sorry. Donut. I know, I'm trying to hurry. There's 2 more left. And another bread.
Or whatever that is.
And whatever Japanese it's saying, please tell me. Or Spanish or whatever. And then this random bun. Okay, that's all the squishies. Okay, fine. I'll tell you what my favorite is. My favorite's this jumbo panda bun.
So,
It's the only jumbo
Bye,
in here.
guys.
Wait, no! And then my least favorite is this foot. Thank you. Bye,
bye
guys.
guys. Bye.
Bye.